Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about the one-liner questions concerning to the GK and GS, that is part 12. So please check my playlist where you will find all the parts up to 11. So which are very useful for all competitive examinations. They are very important static GK which have compiled from various question papers of previous exams. The architectural features of Taj Mahal have resemblance to the tomb of Humayun, which is located in New Delhi, which was constructed by the Humayun's wife Hamida Begum Banu and the son Akbar. As you can see how exactly it looks like, the same resemblance you will find in the tomb of Humayun, that is similar to the Taj Mahal. The radiation that is used in magnetic resonance imaging, that is MRI scan we used to do in the hospitals, that radiation in the infrared range is used in that MRI scans. The Kalinga Prize is awarded for the popularization of science. This is one thing. What are the Kalinga Prize, which is given for the popularization of science? The capital of Hoysalas was Dwarasamudra was the capital of Hoysala. Now we have in certain states of India, especially Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, the use of Kesari pulse for a long time led to arthritis and paralysis of legs is due to the because it has got NYL glitomyl as well as amino propionitrile. These are the main contents. Due to that, they have got the arthritis as well as paralysis in the place of Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. The cities of Uttar Pradesh is most ideally located for the development of iron and steel industry. As you can see, Mirzapur is the main reason where you will find iron and steel industry development is in process in Mirzapur. The elections to the House of the People and legislative assemblies of states in India are conducted on the basis of adult franchisee. This is one thing you have to remember. The elections to the House of the People and the legislative assemblies of states in India are conducted on the basis of what? That is adult franchisee. As you can see to the right how exactly the election takes place, should have the minimum age of 18. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. You can join in Telegram, that is Defense ICTA. Minimum 800 plus question papers have been given in the playlist. Please check whatever you want. Every question paper has got the different questions and you'll have the maximum knowledge towards competitive examinations. The Supreme Court gave its interpretation of Hindutva in the Manohar Joshi case. So we knew that whatever the interpretation has been taken place of Hindutva, that is in the Manohar Joshi case only. The vitamin A, E and C are present in abundance. In which one? That is in carrot you will find this. A, that is retinol, E, that is tocopherol, C, that is ascorbic acid. You will find maximum in carrot. The upheaval of 1857 was first described as a war of independence by V.D. Savarkar. We knew that there is an airport which is located in Andaman, that is Port Blair. V.D. Savarkar airport is present in the Port Blair. Upheaval of 1857 was first described as the war of independence by this V.D. Savarkar. The seaport handling the biggest cargo traffic in India is, we should remember, the Bombay is the maximum cargo traffic you will find in it. Next we have the copper sulfate is a fungicide, sulfur dioxide is a pollutant, sodium benzoate is used as a preservative, and the super phosphate is a fertilizer. This is one thing you have to remember. If the copper sulfate is used as a fungicide and sulfur dioxide as a pollutant, sodium benzoate as a preservative, and super phosphate is what? That is a fertilizer. Please remember, these are very useful for competitive examinations. You may be asked any questions. Here you have been given 4 questions in one question. The Peasants and Workers Party is located in which state? That is located in Maharashtra. As you can see how exactly Maharashtra Raj Kisan Sabha, that is a Peasant and Workers Party, is located in Maharashtra. The East India Company acquired in 1668 the island of Bombay from Portugal. You have to remember, from the Portuguese, the island of Bombay has been acquired by whom? That is acquired by East India Company in 1668. The biggest cargo traffic for India was handled by the sea route, that is Suez Canal. So we can remember the cargo traffic maximum you will find in which place? That is in Suez Canal, that is Suez route. The biggest traffic we will find for India. Now we have the highest energy per gram, that is known as what? That is glucose. In biology, the change which occurs suddenly and which will be inherited later is known as mutation. Please remember what exactly the mutation is. To the right side, how exactly you will find the types of mutation. In biology, the change which occurs suddenly and which will be inherited later is known as mutation. The reptile which has 4 chambers is the crocodile. Is the only reptile in which there are 4 chambers exist in the heart of the reptile. But other, it will be only 3. Human also, it has got 4 chambers in heart. In 1893, he started using the traditional religious Ganapati festival to propagate nationalist ideas through songs and speeches, and in 1895 he started the Shivaji festival to stimulate nationalism among young Maharashtrians. This passage refers to the Bal Gangadhar Tilak. I had told Bal, that is Bala Gangadhar Tilak, who had formulated or introduced Ganapati festival, as I had already discussed. In certain amino acids, the element is found in the addition to carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen. Along with that, sulfur also present. So as you can see how exactly essential amino acids are. As you can see, you can directly go through whatever the amino acids are present. So along with all these carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen, sulfur is also exist. Now we have the chairman of the boundary commission which drew the boundary lines for India and Pakistan was, that is Sir Cyril Radcliffe. On behalf of his name, what exactly the Radcliffe line is? The line between the demarcated line between India and Pakistan is known as Radcliffe line. A bacteriophage is a virus that attacks bacteria and destroys their host, that is bacteriophage. The Arab conquest of Sindh took place in 712 AD under the leadership of Muhammad bin Qasim. We knew that whatever the Arab conquest of Sindh has been taken place in 712 AD under the leadership of Muhammad bin Qasim. Now we have the solvent used in the dry cleaning of clothes, that is acetone. That is a solvent which is used in the dry cleaning of clothes. The spiritual leader associated with the founding of the Vijayanagara kingdom was Vijayaraya, was the spiritual leader who is associated with the founding of the Vijayanagara kingdom, that is Vijayaraya. The conduction of current in an aqueous solution of sodium chloride is by sodium and chloride ions. This is one thing you have to remember. The conduction of current in an aqueous solution of sodium chloride is by sodium and chloride ions. The introduction of new calendar, the new system of coinage and new scales of weights and measures, that is done by Tipu Sultan of Mysore. This is the maximum questions I have compiled from various sources. Wait for the next part. So you can call me on 7667302252 if you want more PDF of GK and GS. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.